If you play Valorant and want to give your agents a bit of personal flair, you do so by buying and equipping skins for their weapons. Here's what you need to know. The primary way to get skins in Valorant is to buy them from the in-game store using VP or Valorant points, which you have to purchase with real money. You buy bundles of points, which can vary from region to region for set amounts of your local currency. Note that individual skins can cost anywhere from around 900 VP per skin to up to 2,500 VP, while bundles can cost anywhere between 3,500 to over 10,000 VP. Note that some skin collections may only be available for a limited time. Skins can also be leveled up through the use of Radianite points, which can be played for by completing Battle Pass contracts or bought with regular Valorant points. If you're on a limited budget, it's best to look into the skins that you find appealing. That being said, there are a few skins you can get without paying. To start, each agent unlocks at least one skin as you level them up. Look through your characters, and if you find one that you like from the selection, you'll be able to grind through that character's contract in no time. Skins can also pop up as part of promos and giveaways from both the developers and Valorant content creators, so keep an ear out just in case. Lastly, while not completely free, there are a few skins you can get while playing through Valorant's seasonal Battle Pass. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Valorant and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.